all of us, especially to our professor. Good day. Before I proceed to my lessons, I would like to introduce myself. That I am Junrid Louise. I am 19 years old. I live in Cocop Catalak, Zamboanga del Norte. The program that I choose is Bachelor of Arts in Political Science. Second year. This subject is A Contemporary World 2024. First, performance tasks. Enumerate at least 3 of the most recent songs you have listened. Where did they originate? Identify the nationality of the writer or artist for its music. Second, what gadget or devices do you use usually to listen to music? And where these gadgets or devices made? Where is the company based? Fourth, how did you access this music? Did you purchase them online or listen to them from YouTube, Spotify, or other music channel? The last but not the least, in generalizations, what is your realization or analyze according to this activity that you perform? I have select 3 songs. First, the title is Pinoy Ako, Pinoy Tayo. I usually used to listen these musics is the mobile phone. This phone was made in China, Dongguan, Shenzhen, Nanjing, Beijing, Hangzhou, and Chongqing, India, and the United States of America. From Sanchico. Company name of Vivo Communications is Technology. So first song that I choose is Pinoy Ako, Pinoy Tayo. The artist is Orange and Lemons. They are a Filipino pop rock band formed in 2023. The band name Oranges and Lemons was initially recommended as by the former member of the group. So, I will sing a song. Pinoy, ikaw, Pinoy, ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Ibang-ibang Pinoy, huwag kang matatakot, ipagmalaki mo. Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. The second song I choose is entitled Who Would Think That Love? The artist is There Are Many Now United Group members. I chose this song because this song is reflected and push me and lifting me, especially in sorrows or when you're bored. So the lyric of these songs is, please listen, I will sing this. You're the best part of my day. Heart is open, it's open. Something is falling to me like an ocean. We're flowing. Used to be shy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Used to be down, down, down. Used to be blue. Used to be blue. Used to be shy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Used to be down, yeah, da, da, da. Used to be below. That I met you. Oh, I think that love took the time to see. We'll be better together, you and me. Who would think that love let us find a way? Never found nothing but no, baby. And the third song that I choose is A Whole New World. A Whole New World was there is it is the signature long from Disney's 1992 animated feature film Aladdin with music by Alan Menken and lyrics by Tim Rice. Alan Menken, born in July 22, 1949, New Rochelle from New York of United States of America, is an American composer whose captivating scores help invigorate the animated features and films of the Walt Disney Company. This song is very popular. That is popular around the world since last year, 2024, or no, 2023. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, no one that did last let your heart decide. I like these songs because when you usually experience the boredom, these songs might help you and it will raise you from the days that you've experienced full of struggles. Then you can listen a song. Thank you for your watching and God bless. Once again, good morning to all of us. Thank you. Bye. There are plenty of people in the world, overgrowth populations, because this song is connected to globalizations. And why? Because don't afraid wherever you go around the world, wherever you are, and whoever you are, because there are many people who will help you. There are many plenty of people around the world. So don't be afraid to God. Because these songs at Pinoy Ikaw at Pinoy Tayo Ipakita sa Mundo, there is originated and there is elaborate that people enterprise and interconnectedness in around the world, and many people who are playing their talents, their uniqueness, their skills, and their strategy to pursue their dreams. So, don't afraid. Thank you. Bye. And my second song is entitled to Who Would Think That Love. That is originated the artist is the Now United. Now United, why? Because each of the countries around the universe internationally, they have their one representative. Like us in the Philippines, our representatives is a Filipino who originate who show their skills around the universe, around the world. This connected that globalization is very have a big impact around the community. Why? Because a globalization, because of technology, the social media is very important and is very significant ever after. And that is why people has a big impact to the community around the universe, around the world rather. It's very popular because it is entitled and very connectedness people around the world. And I thank you. Hello, good morning. My last songs, but not the least, is entitled the A Whole New World. A Whole New World. I will sing the song. This song
the people, to the community, to the countries around the world that the social media is shown around the universe, that it is very impact to the community, to the people, that